Hello there, it's Ty with WTI, and if you're craving for new color into your life, look no more. Here I have Milani lipstick, and the color is named Crave. The shade is 140, and it comes in this beautiful packaging, first of all. So it's easy to find among your makeup, or if you put it in a purse. That's what I like about it. And also how well saturated the color itself is. So here I'm applying it, and it just nicely gives that color right away on your lips. The one that you want and the one that you've been craving for. I recommend this to anybody who is looking for a good deal of lipstick and want to have lots of saturated color. And it's kind of cool on Amazon. You can also try it on, but it doesn't really give you the same results, so that's why I wanted to show how it looks like. I like it a lot, but that of course is just my point of view.